In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable macros in Excel. If you work with automated tasks, buttons, or scripts in spreadsheets, macros make Excel incredibly powerful. They're built with VBA, which can automate repetitive work. But because they can also run code, Excel keeps them disabled by default for your safety. I'll show you exactly how to turn them on, and I'll point out a few precautions so you can stay secure while you work. Start in Excel with any workbook open. First, go to the File tab in the top left corner. This opens the Backstage View, where you manage settings and preferences for the app itself rather than just the current sheet. Next, select Options. You'll usually find this near the bottom of the left-hand sidebar. This opens the Excel Options window, which controls everything from formulas and proofing to advanced features. In the Excel Options window, look to the left panel and choose Trust Center. This is where Microsoft groups security and privacy controls, including how Excel handles external content and macros. Now, click the Trust Center Settings button on the right. This takes you into a focused area dedicated to security decisions that affect how content runs in your files. Inside Trust Center, select Macro Settings from the left-hand list. This section controls whether VBA code is blocked, warned about, or allowed to run. Choose Enable VBA Macros. This setting allows macros to run in your workbooks without additional prompts. It's convenient when you're working with files you trust, such as internal templates or tools you've built yourself. Keep in mind that enabling all VBA macros can expose you to risky code if a file comes from an untrusted source. If you're ever unsure about a workbook, verify where it came from or consult with your IT team before proceeding. You can always return to this screen later to adjust the setting. When you're ready, confirm your choice by clicking OK. That closes the Trust Center and applies your selection. From here on, Excel will honor that macro setting for your workbooks, including macro-enabled files with the XLSM extension. A couple of quick tips as you move forward. If you open a downloaded file and see a security warning bar, it may be due to the file's origin rather than your macro setting. Safely moving it to a trusted location can help. Also, keep your antivirus software up to date and only run macros from sources you recognize. That's it, your macros are now enabled. You're ready to automate tasks, run VBA tools, and make Excel work harder for you.